Hi, my name is Roxelle Richards, attorney and business mentor. If you're an aspiring, new, established business owner, or even if you're working for somebody and you're creating products and you want to learn how to be able to actually protect your intellectual property, well, Protect Your Spark is a training for you. This course is comprised of over 4 video lessons teaching you all the legal aspects around protecting your products and services. We also teach you how to copyright, we teach you trademark, and we actually teach you patent law by bringing in a patent attorney. Now for me, actually creating my books and even these courses, I'm able to do that, but I feel comfortable with doing that because I actually am protected. I actually learned how to be able to trademark my own products and actually copyright my own product. And I want the same for you. With our editable worksheets and even downloadable printable worksheets and checklists, we teach you step by step on how to do that so that you can actually achieve the results of each lesson. So go ahead now and take this course. And if you've got questions, we don't stop there. You're invited to join our private group. And in this private group, you'll have access to other people all in the different stages of their journey. And you also have access to me. I'll be right there to answer any questions you have along the way. So I'll see you inside.